He's the one getting you home.
She would be kicking her butt, like, physically, yeah.
Yeah, take care of Jacob. He's getting us home.
Alrighty, now
Your dad's gonna have the van for like the next couple nights.
this, and I was saying, it's all on May's cave. That one that dropped down comes out up here.
Oh.
All right. So you see how you have to actually climb up. This is the notorious wishing well. This is really, it's kind of tight for about this far. And then after that, it's a belly crawl to the other side of this wall, which meets up with the same passage, which is walking passage, which goes down there. And it's the same as this passage goes down here and meets it. There's a Y there that they meet together. So you can do this if you want to. If you want to just take a look at it, you can take a look at it and see if it's something you want to try. If you don't want to do it, it's okay. That's fine.
If somebody else goes down there, I'll do it.
Yeah, I'm definitely doing this.
Yeah, I want to put up too. So are you
Give
going
it
to
a
it
shot.
or
Let me
not?
get,
If someone's going on a different, will my backpack be affecting how
Hold this.
low it crawls, sir?
yes. You're going to have to take it off and push it in front of you.
Okay, sir.
Well, apparently not.
All right, guys, I'm going down low.
Give
Give it to Dad, because I'm going to.
Dad,
I'm gonna check us out.
give you the small box.
He has mine too in Dom, so you
Apparently
might as
holding
well.
everybody's purse.
You might as well.
This hole right there?
Oh, right
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Just take a look at it.
Damn.
See if you can navigate it. You may have to lay down on your side
Have fun, Wyatt.
with one arm in front, one arm in back, and you're
Yo, how
going
much
to be laying down flat with your feet up out of the hole.
Have fun, Wyatt.
Oh my god.
He won't fit in there.
We shouldn't have made him go.
Hey, Wyatt, you good?
Yeah, I gotta do what he's telling
No,
me.
we're not gonna nutty putty in here, are we?
Hope not.
I should
Well,
have
I don't know
gone.
if I'll be able to fit in.
Then don't go in there.
Bro, I want to, but my large old body can't even.
This is so cool.
It's a hole.
There's a hole.
Lord, why did you give me such a
My
wide
sweater's like
body?
covered in mud right now, guys.
Oh, yeah, we see
Wyatt,
it.
he's in. He's in. He's in.
There you go.
Don't get trapped.
You got it?
Upside down.
Once you
Oh,
get
this is nice, actually.
you pass that rock, you go to the right, and then you're free to crawl.
Have fun, Wyatt.
All right,
totally-
so which direction do I take, left or right?
Right.
All right.
Don't scream, you might.
Lord, have mercy on me.
There, or are you leaving
I'm
that?
so happy my mother
Yeah.
is
And notches.
Huh?
You comfortable stuff.
No, I'm not going down there.
You brought a chair.
I'm gonna go around the other side.
Bye, Wyatt.
See, he's in the toughest part, and he's pretty much through the hard part.
He's
Right, this is
He's
just
having a
straight
blast in
forward.
there.
Mm-hmm. He goes
Can you hold this?
around the rock and then straight
I'll
out
pass
that way.
I'll pass it down to you when we get down there.
I'm glad I don't have the kids tonight. I'd be tempted to watch The Descent or something.
Why?
Oh my god.
What?
Hey, Dad.
Oh, never mind. Scratch
Hey,
that.
Dad, can you carry this?
What am I carrying?
Dom's jacket.
He has a jacket on?
Here, get a jacket.
Yeah,
He's through. He's through.
He's really in there.
He's through the hard part.
Just a
Oh, man.
fast jacket.
All right, let's get this party started.
No,
He's like
that's
really in
morning.
there.
It's so hard to get down.
You got this, Dom.
No, it's going on, boss.
For you,
you did the easiest for me.
I'll do it. I think
Yeah.
you're right.
Here. What you
Why
doing
it's
here,
bigger than me?
It'd be the easiest for me.
You're tiny,
That's
yeah.
what I did.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm going through the old clothes because those were jeans, so it's easy to
I,
just like, here, put jeans on.
Look, I'm just wearing my regular jeans and I probably wear
Is
the
it clear
shirt
to, should I go down now or in a minute?
Because I put on my mowing like the.
Oh my god, they're in there.
Do I
That's
continue
those
waiting
jeans.
or?
There you go.
They have no flexibility in that region.
Scooch over here real fast.
And I was
Dominic,
like,
I
Sure.
swear if you fart.
Okay, go take a look
are.
and
These
see.
are kind of getting threadbare. So
Go take a look and see.
There are the ones I got.
There's so
I
much
put
to
them
get
on
out
and I was
of.
like, I don't think so.
At the second split, do we turn right or
Not doing it, Mariah?
Second split, right or left?
Second slit.
Yeah, there's apparently a second one in there.
Oh, there's no second one. Just keep going straight.
Keep going straight.
Whatever, I'm going in.
Follow big passage.
Tell Mariah if I don't make it out,
Okay.
tell Mom I love her.
He's through. He's through. Okay.
This is so much fun. I'm gonna get so stuck in here.
You'll be fine.
Hopefully.
Oh, no.
So we
Get
can
on your
step down
side.
Under 18 to go in there.
On your side, one arm in front, one arm behind you.
Where we just go up and leave.
I'm working on it.
That's another horror movie, but we were going to that one. Trick or Treat.
You watch too many horror movies, dude.
There's too many horror movies on TV anymore. all that they're making.
Why are you still watching TV?
Alright.
Well, I meant like movie-wise.
Take your time.
I can't, dude, I'm getting stuck in here. Oh, shoot. Yeah, I don't think
Trick or
I
treat
got
the premises that
If you want to back out, that's okay.
group of kids that go to a mental handicap school. The parents are sick of it, so they pay the bus driver to try to.
Oh, you're doing it.
Oh, it's so tight in here!
You're not stuck.
But you can't guess what happens in the bus driver.
I'm working on it. Oh my god. Mariah, if I don't make it out, tell Mom I love her.
Yes, man.
It's so tight in here.
I heard pay the youth pastor more money. Tell your mom to pay the youth pastor more money.
Sorry, we're broke. Church treasurer tells me we're broke, so.
Yeah, that's why I don't say a word about it. I just say, "Ooh."
We gave you right.
Anybody else?
Just wait for me, dude.
You gonna try? I should see you're just jumping real fast to get in there. No? Okay. All right. Anybody else?
Nope. Nope.
Nope. Okay.
Alright, now the flexibility to get down there.
And we're gonna stop that there and there.
We just send everyone under 18.
Oh, I can hear Wyatt down there.
Right now.
Yeah, because his voice echoes no matter where he's at.
Yeah, that's what I like about this is you can always tell where people are. I'm not gonna lose anybody. Okay, we're headed down this way. This is nice and easy. Well,
Right, you grab your sister's bag.
relatively easy.
3 bags here.
Try to want. Without losing my pants.
Just don't fall in the bigger you can hold.
I see that, so I'm gonna go left. And hold onto the wall. Ow. I say ow, but I'm like really like joking around and don't like
Hand me that bag. That way you can use both hands. You're gonna need 2 hands to climb over. All right, here we go.
You know, a joke bag of do-rag, that was a terrible idea.
Yeah, I'm feeling a lot smarter with that right now.
There you go. Just bring both feet over.
Neither do I. That's why I have it.
You can slide down and brace yourself against the other rocks. Got it? Yeah, you got it. Boing. Did I tell them to make a left when they get out?
Yeah.
I thought I did.
What's in here? It's not anything.
It's okay, I'm probably gonna drop one of these things here. So.
Yo! If you want to come out here so you can stand, or if you just want to sit, that's fine. Wait till they get here.
Y'all be careful, it's more of a whale's mouth than get back here. Yo, that was awesome. It looked like a whale, like backbone back there.
Like what I did there?
Yeah.
This is awesome.
All right.
Come in, hang on.
Oh my Jesus, Mikey.
You guys took the easy way out.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, we're positive.
Whose bag do I
I
have?
had to carry 8 bags. I had to carry 1.
That's Shania's.
Okay.
I carried my bag
I hope
on.
nothing breakable was in it.
What was it?
Just eat it across.
My phone's in there.
Why is your phone in there?
You have my picture.
I told you there's always
See,
one.
look, that's my nail on it. I need that.
We're instructed to leave all devices in the
You
vehicle.
wanna pass this back to her?
Hear that?
Of course not.
How you guys doing?
Told you there's always one.
No, because I was bored.
Taylor's not a leader's kid though.
All I have in here is a beef stick, a water bottle, and another water bottle.
Okay,
I need to take my head off.
you guys are doing good.
That was fun, I'm gonna say that.
Where
Yeah.
are we going
Please don't be
next?
broken. Oh.
If we go down
Here, I
here,
gotta take my inhaler.
we go over these rocks here and down the other side and go down there. There's a triangular hole about this big
Okay.
that you kind of have to go through on your side.
Yeah.
Feet first and dangle your feet, and then it's about two to 3 feet off the floor
Alright,
where you're dangling. So it's like maybe waist height.
alright.
Lovely, alright.
When you get in there, listen carefully because it gets confusing when you get in there. There's 3 different ways to get out, not including the way you're going in. Okay? And you're going to try to find the way to get out.
Oh, it's
There's one on the left-hand side that's about this height,
Mhm.
about chest height. There's a shelf. And you kind of have to jump up into it, climb up into it, whatever it takes, and then belly crawl up the rocks and then get out into the next hallway. Let's go over there. There's all the way at the far end of the room. If you go behind the rocks, the big rocks, you can squeeze back there. It's about a foot wide. Squeeze back there, and it goes out to the same location, okay? There's another one that's really tight. I'm not going to tell you about that one because then I don't want to have to pull you out of that one. Now, if you don't want to do it, if you get there and you decide you don't want to do it, there's a walking passage to the left right up here, okay? It's nice and easy, and I'm going to go that way. I'm going to watch you guys go in there, and I'm going to go that way so you're on the other side so I can get pictures of you guys coming out. Yeah.
So I have a question. So you said the one where you have to jump up and that canvas and go up is on the left side over there?
Yeah, it's on the left-hand side as you're going into the room. It's about chest height.
Alright, that works.
Okay, so smaller guys, yeah, you might need a booster.
42.
That might be,
Hey.
Or you can go all the way to the back and go.
Alright, I'm gonna establish like, hey, guys, who wants to go with me to the left side where we're gonna jump up and go up that
That's your, I
I'll
guess,
go.
could
I'll
you
go
have
behind
me and you?
though.
Four
You're
guys.
solid.
Who's gonna go with him?
He's the
Like
problem
the
behind
easier
us is
path.
Mariah.
Mariah.
I'm all flat.
She won't do anything challenging. She can't. Not with her bone structure.
Alright,
Okay,
then we're ready to
that's
start.
fine. Okay, I'm gonna get you started over here.
Lovely.
do this.
Bro, my wrist popped like 6 times.
Ow.
Here's the good thing, these helmets actually protect your head.
Yes, they do.
That's really
Okay, where's that
If you look at all the scuffs on the helmet, each one of them could have been stitches.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
can.
Dominic purpose doesn't want to laugh at him. I'm being dead serious.
Keep hitting in the face.
You laugh at yourself.
Sorry,
I
Kate.
did a jump yesterday, and then I had my whole arm over just torn up. There's cuts all over it.
Alright, where do I get a good grip?
And there's cuts on my
Okay, you just kind of have to get your hands down low, put your feet low, and step down here.
Dominic, when you hurt yourself, I'm going to laugh.
Dude, look at the walkway.
Okay, what was your name again?
White.
Wyatt.
This isn't.
Wyatt, I will try to remember.
It's
Take a step down here. Yeah, you see the triangular hole?
Yes, are we going for that?
It's easier
Yes,
than
you're
you
gonna go
think
through that
about
feet
10
first.
times.
Oh, that's perfect. That was a long
Is
crawl.
that?
I'm
No,
so glad
hold
I
got it.
If not, I would have regretted it.
Alright guys, we got the triangular devil's hole.
We're coming.
Take your time, don't rush.
Yeah guys, I'm gonna take off my backpack real quick, I'm gonna chuck it down there.
Yeah, no backpack.
Yeah.
Wait, was this
Hold on to it, bring it in behind you.
So I'm gonna go behind me then. Dom, let me help get down. I need where you put your
So put the, wait, where'd you put it?
Right here. Yeah, right there.
You have a clip?
And put your hands right
Yeah,
there.
but I
Right
messed it
there.
up.
Since I know breaking stuff here, I'm going.
Alright, so backpack's behind us.
Put it behind you and then drag it through. Take care of everybody, take care of each other, okay?
Yeah.
We'll try.
Alright, don't get too close behind me.
Okay. Alright, so behind me. Lovely. Oh, this is. Or it's gonna go front of me. One of the two. Did you find treasure in there? Any passages?
It's
from
all,
Indiana
it's all
Jones?
done with water.
Yeah, water damage. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Natural water damage. I love it. I think I popped my wrist like 6 times. It hurts.
Oh God,
My wrist is killing me.
Yeah, I don't think you should have gone first.
Yeah,
Let's
Wyatt,
see.
you're
Wyatt, okay, let's see. On your side, okay, pull yourself up a little bit higher into the crack. Get out
I
of the.
might regret this.
Don't lay down on the base of it.
There she goes.
How thin
That's
is
it.
thin?
You got it.
Wait, how tight is that?
Oh my God.
I mean, he can make it through.
He's making
And
it.
he's the biggest, too.
Oh, let's hope to God I can make it then.
I'm gonna need a break for a second. My leg is coming.
When you
All right.
guys get in there, you can take a break and just take your time. We're not in a hurry.
Mariah, I have your water bottle.
Hey, Wyatt. Wyatt, I'm fine.
Okay, just saying, I have your bottle.
Slip down
Slow
there.
down.
That
Yeah, we
looks
should have
like
brought our
something
walkies with us just for the fun of it.
Can you take my bag?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Wait
pass
till he
mine
gets.
up to you guys.
Wait till he's
too.
ready.
We should do bag pass, guys. It's so much easier. Just bag pass.
That's a decent size
Shania, if you
rock.
want, I can take yours when you get halfway through.
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Alright, yeah, once I get through, I'll get there.
How do I? Oh God, that's cold.
It's gonna be cold.
I don't understand how to get through this.
I'm gonna so regret this later. I'm gonna
Okay.
be so sore.
On your side,
go to your side.
you're back against the wall, the big wall.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on, both legs in, and hold on to the outside. Lift yourself up and just kind of like wiggle in. Both legs in.
Oh, this is so painful.
And lower yourself down into the hole.
Oh, those are quite.
Like this?
Where'd you put your feet?
Yeah, that's
I'm like following your feet in general. I'm being dead
If you want to
serious.
rest, you can put your foot right there.
You're doing good. You got it.
I'm already tired. Like I'm being dead serious. I'm already exhausted. And we just started. I'm just so
You
good.
got it?
I think.
All right, get.
I'm great.
Alright.
Oh, that's
There we go.
Okay, when you're halfway done, let me know so I can pass you the bag.
Did you want to look at this?
Put it in the car.
I'm good.
You're good?
She won't do it.
All right. No, I don't want you to do something that you can't do or you don't want to do. But if you want to just take a look and come back out, that's okay.
Okay, my phone's in there. It's powered off because like my phone and my
Okay.
inhaler are in there.
It's his.
Your
Take
little
it. Be
highway,
careful
yeah.
with it.
It's almost
Bro, this feels like the Hunger Games.
for the